Good morning, topic 11, friends. We are at the end of your unit in topic 11, and this is the review, reteach, which is going to be followed by some homework tonight and a test tomorrow. Taking a look here, you're going to set A, set B, set C, set D, topic 11, 681, 682. Says you can subtract 10 or 100 mentally. So, taking a look at it, if you can't figure out that the 10 is just going to affect this place right here and that the 100 is only going to affect this place right here and subtract 1 from it, stack it. 426 minus 10. And you can find the answer. And again, you're going to do the same with 287 minus 10 minus 100. Minus 10 is only going to affect this digit. Minus 100 is only going to affect this digit. Minus 10 is only going to affect here. Minus 100 is only going to affect here. So this is when it gets a little tricky. These are pretty cut and dry. This requires regrouping. This, get a hundreds chart and figure out if you're at 100 and you go back 10, what number, what you're going to land at. Same thing here. This one's pretty easy. 800 minus 100. That's pretty easy. Here, 800 minus 10 is going to be regrouping. Get a hundreds chart, figure out, okay, what if I take 10 away from 100, what number do I land on? What 10 do I land on? And use that to apply it. Carry that 100 forward. Down here it says find 673 minus 458. Start at 458 on an open number line. So you're starting at 458. You're adding up. You're adding up to get to 673. 673. So you added 100, 100, 10, and a 5 to get to 215. Total 100, 200, 210, 215. So again, you're going to start with the minuend. Take a look at it, and you're going to look at the subtrahend, and you're going to find the difference. How do we do it? Well, we're going to try to get to, we're trying to get to 449. We're starting at 217. How can we get from 217 to 449? So we're trying to get from here to here. We're adding up to get there. It might say subtraction, but we're adding up. So upper line is subtract, open number line is subtract. Start with hundreds. 100. 317. Still not over. Another 100. 417. Now we got to get from 417 to 449. I would start with tens. How many tens can get me up into the 40s? And then how many ones can get me to 49? So again, start with the hundreds. Make sure you don't go over. Continue with the tens. Make sure you don't go over. Last but not least, you're going to start with 678 and you're trying to get to 903. Go ahead and try that one on your own. On the back, it says you can draw place value blocks to show subtraction. Find 327 minus 219. You can see here they were 327, 219, and they had to do some regrouping, crossing out, and exchanging. So we're going to start with 653. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, I'm not drawing 427 over here. That's what I'm taking away. So when you take away, you don't start the hundreds. It's not going to work. You have to start with the ones. So I have 3 ones. I have to take away 7. I can't take away 7. What do I do? Well, I'm going to regroup. I'm going to take a 10 and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now instead of 3 ones, I have 13 ones. Instead of 5 tens, I have 4 tens. So far, so good. Now I should be able to subtract 7 from here. I should be able to take 2 away from here, and I should be able to take 4 away from here. Now I'm looking. Now I can subtract down the columns. So I have 13 ones, and I take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Figure out how many you have left. Four tens minus 2 tens. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 left, and I crossed out 2 of them. How many are left? Last but not least, I have 6, and I crossed out 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do I have left? Write your numbers in here. Last but not least, down at the bottom, solve the problem. Ask yourself questions to help. Marnie has 354 pennies. First, she gives 149 to her sister, and then she gets 200 more. So this is a two-stepper. 1 step, 2 steps. So she has 354. She gives 149 to her sister. Then, over here, she gets 210 more. So this solution right here, the difference is going to go up there, and you're going to add it to 210. It's a two-step problem. First, subtraction, then addition. Questions, come see me. Get done turning, please.